All right, hey everybody, welcome back. Today my time is Tuesday, March 7th, 10:30 in the morning. I think it's Monday late at night, I think, your time. Yeah, kind of out about again in the neighborhood here. I wanted to, first of all, I just want to say, man, wow, thank you so much for, the recent subscribers and the people joining. I honestly didn't feel like things would happen so fast. I felt like I would have a little more time to learn my craft here, but no, it's great. I really appreciate it. I mean, I think it's really been, maybe 2 weeks since I really first started this, and so just thank you. I appreciate it. And with that, I'm very much learning here, so bear with me. I thought I was just gonna have to torture my friends and family here the first couple weeks, but you guys are along for that ride too. But with that said, I'm just kind of out doing a little video shooting on, I want to try the drone. Sorry, that cab was distracting me with this. He wanted to pick me up. I was like, no, I don't need a ride. But yeah, I wanted to shoot a quick video on just some drone stuff here. I wanted to practice with my drone, kind of get out and about, do some work there. Also show you this neighborhood where I'm at from up above. I've had maybe less than 10 drone flights, so there's still a lot that I don't know how to do or what to do. It's kind of getting out and exploring the capabilities of my drone also, because I do think next week I will be in Bantayan Island, and that's going to be a destination where I just really want to, photograph, including with doing some really cool drone stuff. So I wanted to get out and train today a little bit to kind of look at some things. And this area is just a really great park. And actually I flew out here once before, but yeah, I just kind of want to get out and do a little more practice. So also too, here is that night market I've talked about in a couple of other my videos. Now it is a lot smaller than the one in IT Park. Here it is. There's probably maybe 15 or so different food vendors here. And during the week, it's pretty slow, I'll be honest. But on Friday and Saturday nights, it's hard to find a seat in there. And really cool, there's a Thai place down here on the left that I really like. It's good. You get pad Thai, it's pretty tasty, and it's cheap. I think it's less than 200 pesos for a meal that includes bottled water. So pretty barato, as they say. But yeah, let's see if we can find a good place to fly here. It's a little windy, but really not too bad. I think what I'll do, either that space there or the football field. Yeah, and I've made comments on the football field before. I was just really shocked about that, and that they were playing football here. Holy mackerel. I mean, basketball is massive here, and that's actually also too shocking. You got a country of people who aren't very tall that love to play basketball, but that's awesome. But basketball's huge. But then to see flag football here was, to me, I was just kind of really shocked by that. Maybe that's something I can get in on down the road once I'm able to maneuver a little bit better. Which brings me to another thing I wanted to bring up. The kind of the wobbling camera. That's not my ability in walking. Maybe I could pan down here and show you, but it's more reflectant of my camera ability, not my physical ability. With this Insta360 camera, I'm, like a lot of things here, I'm really just kind of learning, and getting that right camera angle, I think, is key with this camera. But I also think it is one of the benefits of this camera is you can just really kind of pan out anywhere. Like right now, I'm capturing everything around me. I can, choose what they call the keyframe in each one of these areas. So yeah, so that hobbling along is not anything that's going on with me physically. It's more my mental ability with this camera. So anyways, yeah, I think this spot looks great. I don't have a lot of obstacles. I can try a couple things. There's some light poles here. It's really quiet. There's not a lot of foot traffic. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try here. But yeah, all right, let's get this out and take a look. Take this pack off. Okay, the drone out. Just do quick shots. Turn on. Yeah, so I walk fine. Oh, that was so funny. So I've had this now, crap, I don't even know how long I've had it. I've flown a little bit, but not a lot of flights. I'd probably say this is my 10th or so flight. So yeah, really just kind of experimenting and checking it out. But like I said, next week, if I'm in Bantayan Island, this will be just so incredible to shoot. Plus, I think what I could do here is kind of show you, get up a little bit and show you a little bit of an aerial view of the city and what it looks like. Satellites are still updating. I got 10 connections. Okay, home point has been updated. These props all look fine. Okay, I think we're in good shape to take off. Gimbal's off. All right, let's take a look. Okay. All right, hey. Oh, actually, no, let's start recording. There we go. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, here's my setup. Check it out. Gimbal over here, or not gimbal, but my 360 camera on the tripod. I mean, this thing is incredible. I mean, I'm really digging this camera. I think it's gonna be just phenomenal. There's not a lot of people that are vlogging with this camera, and why I think it's just so great is, well, we got a little bit of wind here. Why I think it's so great, let's get up, is you just capture everything around you, you know? Well, like, actually the drone's doing pretty good with holding elevation. All right, so that's rocket. Don't land on my head. All right, let's see if we can go up a little bit. Okay, cool. Now we're recording. Let's see if we can do a video. I want to do a quick video just to kind of show my area where I'm at. Wow, it's pretty windy out. Yeah, that's great. So now let's just kind of go up. We'll get a view, hopefully, of what's going on around me. I want to do cinematic. All right, well, that's pretty good. So yeah, what you're looking at straight ahead there, that's actually my apartment complex. Like I said, they're building a couple of towers right there. Let's get up. It's my height here, 153 feet. Okay, all right, good. Almost 200 feet. All right, we're at like 250 feet now. Let's just kind of span it around a little bit. Oops, that's moving left and right. Let's see if we can, you know, kind of rotate it around. Yeah, a really good view of the city here, right? And let's maybe turn the camera down a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Strong wind warning. Okay, let's bring her down. Yeah, let's bring her down. I got a strong wind warning. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And there went my camera again. Camera fell a couple times. That's all right. It is an action camera after all, right? Yeah, not too bad. A little windy today. I did get a warning when I was up there that it said a high wind warning to kind of return to home. So went ahead and did that. Don't want to mess up the drone, right? It's not a cheap piece of equipment, but really kind of fun. Like I said, maybe get some better weather where I can experiment a little bit more. And I'm really hoping to shoot when I get out to Bentine Island. Yeah, a little too windy to fly. I don't know the exact mile per hour, but I did get a warning on there, so better to be safe than sorry. The drone seemed to be fine. Like it was able to hold its position really well, surprisingly. Yeah, I hope you got a little bit of a view of kind of the neighborhood up here and kind of around. I'll see if I can get back out when it's a little less windy and I have more skill. I really wanted to test out some of the other abilities in the camera. Like, they have all kinds of little master shots and little short things that you can do with the drone. They're just kind of pre-set up flight plan kind of thing where they do like circles, or I guess they call it like a droney move, or the one I did was a rocket where it just kind of goes straight up. So yeah, I just really wanted, but it's way too windy out. I can do this another day. I did want to do as much as I could though before going over to Bentine, just because I know that is going to be a location, man, that holy mac, you can't tell. But it's just so thrilled about having the opportunity to go there and check that out. So I should know more here in the next couple days if I'm going next week or not. Kind of waiting to hear back from the people I'll probably be traveling with. But even if it falls through where I can't go with them, it's definitely going to be a trip that I want to do. And you know, too, I really want to document that whole journey, right, from Cebu all the way to Bentine, because I just think people here visiting will want to do that trip, you know, and you know, just the whole process of getting in the taxi over to the I think it's the north bus terminal is where you'll pick up the bus. You know, you take that to like Hogna Port, and then Hogna Port over to Santa Fe, and so there's a little bit of a process there, but I mean, all really easy and doable. And I think, you know, documenting that journey for people coming here, I think would be valuable for people. So I want to do that. I think this trip though, we're going to be taking a taxi, which you could do as well. It's just not, I don't think is budget friendly. I'll have to see how much a taxi is from there to there, but the people I'm traveling with, I think they're gonna have a driver for a lot of the time. So a big jeepney full of people. Another jeepney. Yeah, I guess you can see on the side there where it's going and that. Honestly, I have no idea how to figure out what goes where. So I haven't really rode the jeepneys yet. It'd be fun just to get on and cruise around. Who cares where it ends up, right? Just get a taxi cab and come home if you need to. It's kind of been my philosophy on a lot of these things, really, is just going where they take me. All right, well, I'm wrapping some things up here. Maybe I'll go out and shoot a little bit later. It looks like I don't, but yeah, again, I really just want to thank, and appreciate all the people who joined the channel. It just truly blows me away. And, thanks for joining me on this journey. Apologize in advance for this early learning phase. So